Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, today I will show you how to subscribe to PicsArt using iPhone. Step 1. Go to home screen and click the application. And we are now inside of PicsArt. Step 2. Click the 30 days free trial. Step 3. Select 30 days free trial and hit on continue. Step 4. Click confirm and type in your iCloud password and sign in. Please wait until it's all set. You're all set! Step 5. Click OK and got it. Already subscribed? And now you can start edit what you want. Step 6. Check your subscription confirmation on your Gmail. You can now see the details when you can start to pay. We're all set. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Bye bye!